As a manufacturing engineer, your day is complex and ever-changing. It seems like there's just never enough time. You've probably thought, I need to clone myself. At Siemens, we can't do that. But our new approach to digitalize manufacturing can make you and your operation more productive and more flexible. Our software helps you create a digital twin. That's a precise virtual copy of your real production system. With this digital twin, you can uncover the best way to make your products using the resources, processes, and systems available. It continuously accumulates your manufacturing knowledge and uses a digital thread that seamlessly connects your design, planning, production, and quality functions. Let's take a look at how a digital twin can help your manufacturing operation. The difference starts when you get a new job to quote. Instead of starting from scratch, using a digital twin, you can review the part to see if you've made one like it before. You can also estimate costs and find previous process plans so you can quickly determine which is optimal. Then you can choose the process that best fits your goals. Using a digital twin, you can reuse and adapt the know-how you've already put into past models and projects. A digital twin also helps you link together an optimized product design, how to make it, required resources, and where it should be made. And then build the complete production process plan using this information. For every facet of the process, a digital twin helps manage the details. In the virtual world, a digital twin can help you program and validate the process across your operation. This can include CNC machines, 3D printers, robots and automation equipment, quality inspection devices, work cells, and even the complete system. So you can quickly ramp up real production. All of the process details are defined and managed in one system, eliminating the gap between design and production. With the right data at the right time where it's needed, your production operation always knows exactly what to make and how to make it more efficiently with available resources. While production runs, data is fed to a digital twin, closing the loop by merging the virtual and physical worlds. You collect live data from the shop floor and use it to compare the as-designed model to the as-built results. Now you can make any needed adjustments from anywhere in the world. With your digital twin, you do current work more efficiently and with better quality, while you're freed up to work on the next big project. Learn how to digitalize your machine shop today. Watch our next video, How the Digital Machine Shop Works.